Welcome to the Maple Minute, presented by Glenna Farms. Explore the world of pure maple syrup in a minute.
Pure maple syrup is a very universal product that is a natural substitute for sugar. Not only can it be used in a variety of recipes, it also can be made into several value-added products. We all know pure maple syrup is delicious on pancakes and ice cream, but it also can enhance many everyday recipes. First up, the breakfast treat, maple pecan granola. Baking granola at home can be healthier, tastier, and more affordable. It's sweet and crunchy and perfect for breakfast or as a snack. Next, let's move to the dinner option with the maple glazed pork chops. This sweet and tangy glaze brings out the richness of the pork chops, making for a meal to remember. Try the roasted Brussels sprouts with maple syrup glaze for a unique side dish. This dish will convert even the most stubborn Brussels sprout skeptics. Finally, it's time for dessert with the maple crème brûlée, a perfect complement to a meal or a coffee get-together with friends. This rounds out 4 great recipes highlighting maple syrup's sweet taste. They're fun, delicious, and excellent ways to incorporate nature's finest sweeteners. Recipes can be found at glennafarms.com/recipes. We also create several value-added products with our pure maple syrup. Maple cream exudes a rich maple flavor and is excellent on bagels and toast. If we boil more of the water off, we get granulated pure maple sugar, which is an excellent substitute for processed sugar. Don't forget the maple sugar candy and the maple nut popcorn, both excellent maple treats. As we have noted, pure maple syrup is not just for breakfast anymore. Delve into the world of pure maple syrup for great flavor and a healthy choice.
For more videos, visit glennafarms.com.